Hey guys, today's gonna be a pretty fun video. So it's gonna be all about summer jobs. So you are looking for a summer job working either gardening or landscaping. On the internet, you find 3 job opportunities. Each job pays different salaries for 12 weeks. All right, so let's take a look at these jobs. Now the first job is a gardener. Now this job is open for 12 weeks. To work as a gardener, the job requires attending gardens and lawns for private property owners. The salary is $410 per week. The second job is a landscaper. And a landscaper, what you're going to do is you're going to be trained for 2 weeks, and then after the 2-week training, you have to work for 10 weeks. Each job takes about a week, and then what's going to happen is once everything is done, once the whole 12 weeks is done, you're going to get $5,000. Okay? Now the third job, it's a nursery worker. Now what you're going to do in this one is you're going to attend to exotic flowers. The job pays $400 per week. And then once you're done, after the 12 weeks, there is a bonus of $250. Okay? Now, here's all the jobs again. Now, what we want to do now is we want to find out how much each job will earn you if you only work there for 4 weeks. Now, of course, you're not going to tell them you're only going to be there for 4 weeks. They're not going to hire you then. You're going to tell them, hey guys, I want a job. I'm going to be there for the whole 12 weeks. But you already know that you're going to leave 4 weeks early because you have vacation or something. Okay? Now, we're going to see which one pays the best after 4 weeks. So for the first one, again, it says they pay $410 per week, right? And if you're there for 4 weeks, how much are you going to get paid? So hopefully you got this one right? So you're going to take the 410 and you're going to multiply that by 4,000. Not 4,000. You multiply it by 4, and then you will wind up with $1,640. Okay? Now you can do the same thing for the next one. So tell me, after 4 weeks, how much will you get paid as a landscaper? All right, this one was kind of a trick question because, again, you'll get the $5,000 at the end. So how much are you going to earn after 4 weeks? Goose egg. You're not going to get anything because you only get that $5,000 once you're done with the entire 12-week job. All right. Now for the last one, it says that you get $400 per week, and then you get $250 once you finish the 12-week internship. All right, so how much money are you going to make for this one? All right, now for this one, you're going to take the 400 and you're going to multiply it by 4. Okay, that $250 will not be applied because you didn't work the whole 12 weeks. So you wouldn't even want to work, or you wouldn't even get that $250. You wind up getting $1,600. So which of these is the best one? The best one is the first one, being a gardener. All right, for $1,640. Okay, we're gonna do this again. Now for this next scenario, we're gonna see how much each of the jobs get paid for 9 weeks. All right, so for the first job, the gardener, how much is the gardener gonna make? Go ahead. All right, so again, we're going to take the 410. Instead of multiplying by 4, we're going to multiply it by 9 this time. So 9 times 410, that's going to get you $3,690 after 9 weeks. Okay? All right, go ahead and do the next one. So I'll find out how much we're going to get paid if you're a landscaper. All right, there it goes again, another goose egg. You do not get that money until you do the 12 weeks. So this is not a job that you would want if you were only going to work 9 weeks. All right, here's the last one. Go ahead and find out how much a nursery worker would make. All right, so again, guys, you're going to take that 400 and multiply it with 9. You do not get that $250 because you didn't work the whole 12 weeks. So that's going to get you $3,600. So again, the gardener wins. Okay. All right, here's the last scenario. Now say that you do the whole 12 weeks. So how much are you going to make if you are a gardener? Okay, so we're going to take that 410, but since it's 12 weeks now, we're going to multiply it by 12. That's going to get us 4,920. Okay, how much are you going to get if you are a landscaper? All right, finally get some money from this job. So you will get $5,000 check because you did the whole 12 weeks. Now for the last job, go ahead and find out how much you get paid with this job. All right, so we're going to take that 400, multiply it by 12 for the 12 weeks. But this time we are going to add the $250 because of the fact that we did work the full 12 weeks. That's going to earn you $5,050. So in this case, the winner is the nursery worker. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to come up with some formulas that are going to help us to calculate how much we would get paid. Now you guys kind of did this manually, but what are you going to get paid? I'm sorry, what formula can you create so that you can see how much you're going to make as a gardener? Well, again, that was going to be 410 times X. Now in this case, X represents the number of weeks, Y represents the money, okay? Now the landscaper, you get $5,000, but this $5,000 is paid to you at the end, okay? So you don't even have to multiply by the number of weeks. You just wind up getting Y equals 5,000, okay? Now for the last one, I want you to do this one on your own, and again, try to mimic it to the gardener, but you do work the full 12 weeks, so take into consideration the $250. All right, hopefully you got this one right. So we're going to wind up getting Y equals 400 times X plus 250. All right, guys, so we're going to work on this stuff tomorrow, so I'll see you later.